Anyone who has lived with a cat is familiar with the peculiar, often hilarious phenomenon that occurs almost daily, a sudden burst of frenetic activity, usually in the evening or late at night, when the cat races around the house, jumps on furniture, pounces on invisible targets, and generally behaves as if propelled by an unseen force. This period is often referred to, somewhat humorously, as the crazy hour or the zoomies. While it may seem like random silliness to the human observer, this behavior is rooted in deep evolutionary, physiological, and behavioral causes. At the core of this nightly madness lies the fundamental nature of the domestic cat as a crepuscular predator. Crepuscular animals are most active at dawn and dusk, those liminal times of day when the light is low and prey is typically on the move. Although house cats no longer need to hunt to survive, they retain the instincts of their wild ancestors. Their bodies and minds are still programmed to become alert and active during the hours when, in the wild, they would be stalking, chasing, or ambushing small animals. Thus, what appears to us as a random energy spike is, in fact, the expression of deeply embedded predatory behavior, activated by internal rhythms tied to light cycles and hormonal fluctuations. These bursts of energy also serve a vital biological function: physical and mental stimulation. Cats are natural hunters and problem solvers. In nature, they spend significant portions of the day locating, stalking, and catching prey. Domestic cats, especially those kept indoors, do not have access to this complex behavioral cycle. As a result, the energy that would have been used for survival must be released somehow. The crazy hour becomes an outlet, a form of self-directed play that allows the cat to practice hunting skills, release tension, and satisfy the neurological need for engagement. This is particularly true for young cats and kittens, whose energy reserves and curiosity are practically boundless. A young cat's nervous system is primed for action, exploration, and physical development. Without regular stimulation, this energy builds up and is released in concentrated outbursts. Even adult cats exhibit these behaviors, albeit with more variation depending on their personality, health, and daily routine. A sedentary or bored cat may show more intense zoomies, while one with structured playtime and outdoor access may have fewer or more subdued episodes. Another contributing factor is the sleep-wake cycle of cats, which is very different from that of humans. Cats sleep between 12 and 16 hours a day, but this sleep is usually divided into multiple shorter periods. Their wakeful windows often coincide with times when humans are less active, early morning and late evening. As night falls and the household quiets down, the cat may feel a surge of wakefulness and readiness to engage. In a home without structured play or stimulation, this can translate into running laps through hallways, attacking shadows, or climbing curtains. Cats are also highly responsive to external stimuli, including the behavior of their humans. If a household is busy and noisy during the day, a cat might choose to rest and remain low energy while people are moving around. But once quiet descends, they might see it as their turn to take over the space, explore, or engage in behaviors they held off on during the day. The stillness of the evening amplifies their every sound and movement, making their actions seem even more exaggerated and dramatic to the human eye. Moreover, the crazy hour can be triggered by a surplus of calories not yet expended through physical activity. Cats, like all animals, have a basic energy balance between intake and output. In nature, food is earned through effort. Hunting requires stealth, agility, and patience. Domestic cats, on the other hand, are typically well fed with minimal exertion. If they consume more energy than they burn, the body seeks ways to release the surplus. The nightly zoomies may, in part, be a spontaneous resolution to this imbalance, a metabolic mechanism converting stored energy into motion. Environmental factors can also influence the intensity and timing of these behaviors. Changes in temperature, lighting, or the presence of other animals can all trigger heightened activity. Some cats become more animated in response to full moons, shifts in weather, or the sounds of nocturnal animals outside. Their keen senses and heightened awareness make them responsive to patterns we may not even notice. Social interaction plays a role as well. For many cats, the evening is the only time their human companions are fully present at home and relatively stationary. This becomes an ideal time for seeking attention, initiating play, or expressing pent-up emotion. While some cats vocalize or cuddle, others express their needs more physically, by darting around, climbing furniture, or staging mock attacks on legs and feet. In multi-cat households, the crazy hour can become a group ritual, often resembling synchronized chaos. Cats may chase one another, take turns ambushing from under furniture, or engage in mock battles. These interactions, while intense, are typically part of social bonding and territory negotiation. When such play becomes too aggressive, however, it may signal a need for more structured enrichment or environmental adjustments. Despite its occasional disruption of human sleep or serenity, the crazy hour is a healthy, even necessary, part of a cat's behavioral repertoire. Suppressing this energy through punishment or confinement can lead to frustration and behavioral problems. Instead, experts recommend channeling the behavior in productive ways, scheduled interactive play with toys that mimic prey, puzzle feeders to stimulate the hunting drive, and the establishment of daily routines that anticipate and accommodate feline activity cycles. Understanding the crazy hour as more than a quirk, seeing it as a window into the biological and psychological complexity of cats, helps deepen the relationship between humans and their feline companions. These twilight races through the living room, the inexplicable leaps from one piece of furniture to another, the wild-eyed sprints that end as suddenly as they began, are not random acts. They are echoes of evolution. Reminders of a predator's soul in a domestic setting, and manifestations of joy, need, and vitality within a world designed by and for a different species. The crazy hour is less of an oddity and more of a message, from the ancient instincts that shaped the cat to the modern environments we've placed them in. It speaks of an animal still very much in touch with its primal core, adapting in real time to a domesticated life that cannot extinguish the fire within.